Hi, welcome to English Hamster. Are you learning English? Great. Here we learn through stories. They are simple and interesting. You can improve English while learning knowledge. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started.
This is not just another year. What if this year is not normal? What if this year is not just another number on a calendar? Many people think every new year is special. They feel hope for a short time. They make plans and big promises. They say, this year will be different. But after a few weeks, life feels the same. They wake up tired. They check their phone first. They scroll without thinking. They rush through the day. At night, they feel empty again. Then the year ends. Nothing really changes. But 2026 can be different. Not because the world will change, not because problems will disappear. It will be different because you change. This year is not about luck. It is not about waiting for help. It is about waking up. Many people live like they are asleep. Their body moves, but their mind is quiet. They repeat the same days again and again. They say they want more, but they do the same things. This is not weakness. This is not stupidity. This is unconscious living. Imagine this simple story. A man wakes up every day at the same time. He eats the same food. He takes the same road to work. He complains about his job every night. One day, he asks a hard question. Why is my life not better? But he never changes his actions. Life does not change by questions alone. Life changes by awareness. Awareness means you start to see. You see how you spend time. You see what steals your energy. You see which habits help you and which hurt you. Most people never look closely. They stay busy to avoid thinking. They hope the next year will save them. Hope is nice, but hope is not enough. A better life does not arrive by accident. It starts when you notice yourself. This is the real start of change. Many people live on auto mode. They wake up and grab the phone. They read messages before their own thoughts. They react all day. Someone is rude, they get angry. Bad news appears, they feel fear. Other people's opinions decide their mood. At night, they feel tired but confused. They did many things, but nothing important. Days pass like this. Weeks disappear. Months move fast. Years fly. Then one quiet day, a scary thought appears. Where did my time go? This moment hurts, but this moment is powerful. It is the moment of awakening. Awareness enters quietly. It does not shout. It does not push. It simply shows you the truth. You see that time moved forward, but you did not. This is not to shame you. It is to wake you up. Many people say the same sentence. I will start when I feel ready. They wait for confidence. They wait for motivation. They wait for the perfect moment. That moment never comes. Readiness is a lie that feels safe. It keeps you comfortable and still. No one feels ready at the start. No one feels confident on day one. Confidence grows after action. Think about learning to ride a bike. You fall, you feel scared, you feel unsure, but you ride again. Confidence comes later. Life works the same way. If you wait to feel ready, you wait forever. Life does not reward waiting. Life rewards movement. Even small movement matters. A short walk is better than no walk. 1 page is better than no book. 5 minutes is better than 0. Small action clears the mind. Small action builds strength. This is why 2026 matters, not because it is a new year, but because you stop waiting. Let me tell you a simple story. A woman wanted to learn English. She said this for many years. I will start when I have time. One day, she felt tired of waiting. She decided something small. Every morning, she listened to English for 10 minutes. That was all. No long plans, no big promises. Some days she felt bored. Some days she forgot, but she returned. After 3 months, something changed. She understood more. She felt proud. After 1 year, her life felt bigger. Nothing magical happened. She just stopped waiting. When awareness enters your life, you stop living on auto mode. You choose more, you react less. You notice bad habits early. You change direction faster. You stop blaming time. You stop blaming people. You take responsibility. This does not make life easy. It makes life honest, and honesty creates power. In 2026, you wake up. Not just in the morning, but in your mind, you see your days clearly. You see your choices clearly. And once you see, you cannot unsee. This is where real change begins. The day you feel time moving faster. One day, something feels different. Nothing big happens. No alarm sounds. No loud warning appears. But inside you, a quiet thought comes. Time feels faster now. Years feel shorter than before. Months pass without notice. Even weekends disappear quickly. You remember something from years ago. It feels like yesterday. This feeling can be scary. You may ask yourself, why does life move so fast now? The truth is simple. Time did not change. You changed. When life has no clear meaning, time feels slow and heavy. But when life has direction, time flies. This is not bad news. This is a wake-up call. When days feel empty, time feels slow. A long workday feels endless. A boring meeting feels painful. But when you do something meaningful, hours disappear. Think about a good conversation. Think about learning a new skill. Think about building something you care about. Time moves fast then. Life feels short not because it is short. Life feels short because it finally matters. This understanding changes everything. It makes you careful. It makes you awake. You stop treating days like trash. You stop throwing hours away. You start asking better questions. Is this worth my time? Does this help my future? When you first see this truth, it can hurt. You think about lost years. You remember delayed dreams. You feel regret. This pain is normal, but this feeling is not here to break you. It is here to guide you. Regret shows you what matters. It points to what needs change. People who ignore this feeling continue living carelessly. People who listen begin to live with intention. They stop drifting. They start choosing. Wise people do not fear time, they respect it. They know one thing very well: time never returns. Money can come back, energy can return. Time never does. Because of this, they become selective. They choose how to spend their hours. They choose where to place attention. They stop doing things that drain them. They stop endless arguments. They stop explaining themselves to people who never listen. They stop chasing approval, not because they are cold, but because they are awake. Imagine two people. Both have the same 24 hours. One spends hours scrolling every night. The other reads or learns something small. After 1 year, their lives feel very different, not because one is smarter, but because one respected time. Small choices create big gaps. In 2026, you start to protect your time. You treat it like something valuable. Like money in your pocket, you stop giving it away easily. You understand something important. Not everything needs your attention. Not everyone deserves your energy. Some talks leave you tired. Some habits steal your focus. Some people slow your growth. Letting go is not selfish. It is necessary. Many people stay stuck because they hold on too long. They keep bad habits because they feel familiar. They keep toxic connections because they feel safe. But safety is not always growth. Sometimes growth feels lonely. Sometimes growth feels quiet, but it always feels right later. In 2026, you learn this skill. You say no without guilt. You step back without fear. You choose peace over noise. A young man felt tired every day. He slept enough. He ate well. Still, he felt empty. One day, he noticed something. Every night, he argued online. He explained himself to strangers. He tried to win every discussion. He stopped, Nothing else changed. 2 weeks later, his energy returned. Not all tiredness comes from work. Some tiredness comes from wasted attention. Something powerful happens when you protect your time. You start feeling more confident, not loud confidence. Quiet confidence. You trust your choices more, you respect your limits, you stop rushing, you stop comparing, you move with calm. People notice this change, not because you say anything, but because your life feels steady. Time is not your enemy, time is your teacher. In 2026, you learn its lessons. You begin to ask simple questions. Does this help my future? Does this bring peace? Does this support my growth? If the answer is no, you step away. This one habit changes everything. Your days feel lighter, your mind feels clearer, and slowly your life rises. You are not late, you are ready. Many people carry a heavy thought inside. They do not say it aloud, but they feel it every day. I am too late. Too late to start again. Too late to learn something new. Too late to change their life. This thought is quiet, but it is powerful. It steals energy. It kills hope. People feel old before they are old. They feel tired without moving. But this thought is not true. It is only fear wearing a mask. You are not late, you are being prepared. Life was not wasting your time. Life was teaching you. Every mistake gave you a lesson. Every failure trained your mind. Success teaches little. Failure teaches depth. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall many times. They cry. They try again. We do not say the child is late. We say the child is learning. Life works the same way. Many people fight their past. They feel shame. They feel regret. They replay old scenes in their mind. If only I knew better. If only I started earlier. But you can only act with the knowledge you had then. You did the best you could with what you knew. This truth brings peace. In 2026, you stop hating your past self. You stop punishing yourself. You begin to understand. Pain is not useless. Pain teaches awareness. A person who never failed often lacks depth. A person who struggled understands life better. Your hard days shaped you. They taught patience. They taught humility. They taught strength. Think about a broken bone. It heals stronger at the break. People heal the same way. A woman felt behind in life. Her friends had careers, some had families. She felt stuck. For years, she blamed herself. One day, she changed one thought. What did my past teach me? She saw the truth. She learned resilience. She learned empathy. She learned calm. These skills changed her future. Not fast, but deeply. Comparison is a silent thief. It steals joy. It steals focus. Social media makes it worse. You see success without context. You see highlights, not struggles. Everyone has a different path. Some start early. Some start later. Some run fast. Some walk slow. All journeys are valid. In 2026, you stop racing others. You move at your own pace. When you accept your past, something changes inside. You stop rushing. You stop proving. You move with calm. This calm is strength. It does not shout. It does not compete. It simply moves forward. People feel this energy. They trust it. Your past does not disqualify you. It qualifies you. It gives understanding. It gives perspective. Many people never develop this. They rush forward without depth. You are different. You carry lessons. You carry awareness. This is power. This year is not about speed. It is about direction. You do not need to catch up. You only need to move forward. One step is enough. In 2026, you walk without shame. You move without fear. You trust your path. Life rarely changes with loud promises. It does not change with big speeches. It does not change with public plans. Real change begins quietly. It starts inside your mind. One calm decision, no noise, no drama, you do not tell everyone, you do not ask for approval, you simply decide, I will not live like this anymore. This decision feels different. It is not emotional, it is clear, and clarity is powerful. The strongest decisions happen when no one is watching. No applause, no support, just you. This kind of choice is honest. It is not for others, it is for your future. In 2026, you stop explaining yourself. You stop waiting for permission. You take responsibility. This is the moment life shifts. Many people talk about their plans. They feel good after talking. They feel busy, but nothing changes. Talking gives a false feeling of movement. Action gives real results. In 2026, you speak less, you act more, you work quietly. Silence becomes your strength. When you work in silence, you focus better. You waste less energy. You stop comparing, you build discipline. People may not notice at first. That is fine. Real growth is invisible in the beginning. Many people fear discipline. They think it means pain. This is wrong. Discipline is self-respect. It is saying, my future matters. Discipline is choosing calm later over comfort now. Small actions. Every day, not perfect, just consistent. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. In 2026, you build simple systems. You wake up at the same time. You practice a little every day. You follow simple rules, even on bad days, especially on bad days. Systems carry you when feelings are weak. Big success grows from small wins, 1 page a day, 10 minutes of focus, 1 healthy choice. These look small, but time multiplies effort. After 1 year, your life feels different, not suddenly, but clearly. Many people quit too early. They quit when progress is quiet. Like a seed under the ground, growth happens unseen first. If you quit now, you miss everything. In 2026, you make a promise. I will not quit. Not when it is slow, not when it is lonely. You keep going. Winners are not special. They are consistent. They show up. Again and again, they trust the process. Persistence is stronger than motivation. Persistence is stronger than fear. This is your advantage. Money matters, success matters, but who you become matters more. Your mindset, your habits, your character, these stay with you forever. In 2026, you focus inward. You build strength. You build calm. You build wisdom. Everything else follows. 2026 will pass. With change or without it, the question is simple. Will this year shape you or repeat you? No one is coming to save you, but you do not need saving. You are capable. You always were. You do not need a perfect start. You need a consistent one. 1 decision. 1 action. 1 day. Again tomorrow. By the end of the year, you will look back. You will smile, not because life was easy, but because you did not quit. 2026 did not change your life. You changed your life in 2026. Quietly, slowly, bravely, this is your year. Claim it.
Hey, if you learned something new today, please give this video a like. Write your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and it really helps to create more English videos for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.